Time for lunch. And today I'm going to try the Lay's grilled cheese and tomato soup chips. And to see how authentic they taste, I'm going to make myself a grilled cheese sandwich and a can of tomato soup. I'll have the chips with my lunch for lunch. Compare the tastes. It's going to be so good. I'm going to do this in the microwave. And I'm going to turn on my stove, melt some butter, and get my bread going for a grilled cheese sandwich. Oh, it's going to be good. Got American cheese. I'm going to let that melt. Open this can, pour it into a bowl. And this says 1 can of water or 1 can of milk. Go with water today. Microwave for 3 minutes. Campbell's condensed tomato soup. Can of water. Stir it up. Got my stirrer. I used to eat this when I was young. Haven't eaten it much lately. But I have to try it with the Lay's grilled cheese and tomato soup flavored chips. It was coming out with something different. That's nice and creamy. Let me put that in here for 3 minutes in the microwave. Cover that with a paper towel in case it splatters. Helps a little bit. 3 minutes. There we go. Now my butter's melted around pretty good there. I like a lot of butter. 2 slices of bread. Get them toasted up. Get my American cheese out. How many slices? 3 slices. I have provolone too, which I like a lot, but we're going square with American. These are going to be good. I want to taste one now, do you? I've been waiting. I'm real hungry. It's lunchtime. And I cashed in my lottery tickets and I got some more. While I'm tasting my sandwich, I'll let you know if I won anything else. Remember yesterday I won $62 or something like that, wasn't it? 50 something. That was good yesterday, wasn't it? Today we gotta win big. 3 slices. Get one side toasted. A lot of butter. It's not toasted yet, but I'm just spreading the butter around. Get it good on both sides. Let me stir that soup. Ooh, smells like tomato soup. 3 minutes is gonna be good. Continue. Good lunch, eh? Eh? Paper plate. Napkin, so I can throw it at you. Lucky numbers. Want one yet? I didn't open them yet. You want one? Oh, Kathy doesn't like tomato soup, do you?
Not too much.
That's okay. Frying it up. Gonna be good. Getting there. So buttery. That soup has to be done. I don't want it too hot. Oh, it's bubbling. All right. I better get a pot holder. Creamy. Nice. So far it's looking good. Place 3 slices of cheese on your bread. You know how to do this. Woo. Oh, perfect. Woo. Almost. You might like it like that. I might like it a little browner. Oh. Time for lunch! Should I cut the sandwich in half? Like they show that sandwich cut in half? The bowl soup. Thick soup. Looks like ketchup almost. My soup isn't that thick. Ready? Whoa. That's it. Let the cheese melt. Another minute. Here we go. Beautiful. I like that side, you might like that side. I like that side. I like that side. Which side do you like? Here we go. Couldn't wait. Ooh, let me cut that sandwich fancy. Crunchy. We're gonna try it. What should I taste first? Now we can open a bag of Lay's grilled cheese and tomato soup flavored chips. Tomato soup. And I guess you could say it tastes like grilled cheese too. But then we have grilled cheese. And don't be hot on me. That's stronger tomato tasting. And this is crispy like a chip. Try a second one. Okay, all right. It tastes like it. Crunchy, cheesy, tomatoey. And I got this to compare it to. That's so good. Don't forget. How about this? That's good. It's especially good when you're hungry. Yeah, it has a good smell of tomato soup and cheese. I love it. Try them. Do you want to see me scan these off quick? Can you hand me my phone, please, over there? Wish me luck.
Good luck.
This might be a good luck lunch.
I hope so.
Wait a minute. No, you know what we should do? Put some on your plate. Perfect lunch. Oh, yes. Okay. This one I don't have to scratch off because it's an instant ticket. I'm just doing this because I know you wanted to see me cash in my winners from yesterday. Scan it. Woo! $15.
Wow!
Great, now I need a kern. You got a kern? I got a kern. Oh, here's a kern. Win big. Oh, I'm going to let you scratch off this one because that's Wizard of Oz.
Oh, thank you.
And if you win enough, you can buy me a car.
Okay.
Now, I got win big. 10 top prizes of 100,000. Big old Benz. 10 top prizes of 300,000. Oh. You got your own kern?
No.
Yeah, well here. Let's scratch off this one. Win big. Then I'll scratch off this one. That's nice. That looks like money. And you can scratch off your Wizard of Oz. How much can you win with that? With yours?
You can win $100,000.
Ooh. All right, let me try this one. Win big. Oh, come on, please. Please let me win.
Oh. Okay, here's the wizard. I like that one.
Let me scan it for you.
Yep.
Wizard of Oz.
Oh. Shucks. Shucks.
All right, big old Ben's coming. We can win 300,000 right here. Wish us luck. Everybody cross your fingers. Oh, $10.
$10. All right.
All right, so 10 and 15 and how much? 320,000? $25. You brought me luck again. Thank you. All right, let me finish my lunch. Check out these fancy flavors of Lay's. They have all different kind now. You know that. It's delicious. Have a nice day. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon. Mmm.